Clap, clap.
What?
I'm about to do my vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Love you. Hey guys, welcome back to vlog 108, and I just wanted to show off my cool ass setup. Let me get you in here. Check this out. So we got it all spinning, up and running. Ballistics Crucial RAM going. We've got the motherboard all lit up. At the moment I don't have this turned on. There's a specific driver I've got to set up for that. Behind here you'll see potentially some of the things. Also, don't know why my graphics card fans ain't turning on. Interesting. I got a little bit of mess to clean up here on my table. Look, I understand it's a terrible mess. I get it. But, you know, I had to make do because, well, my PC wasn't active. And that's my original case. The power button on this is just broken. So over here, I have my OG board with the battery sitting out of the CMOS, just to make sure we have it all reset. I'm going to try and test this board out tomorrow, and I'm going to get in behind here and do some cleaning, some cable managements. Yeah, definitely get that all fixed up, but there's so much that I've got to do tomorrow. I hope you guys like the time lapse. I've kind of sped it up so you see just how crazy Coots is at working really fast and getting things set up for me. Hey guys, just finishing up this video, which you're watching right now. I'm very happy with my entire setup that I managed to build with my brother. I mean, it's a work in progress, but I can only fit these two vlogs together back to back. I'm very happy with how everything is looking. Yeah, I know it's a mess, but I mean, I had to edit a vlog. I've done so much, but all I can say is thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out today's vlog, which would be 310. I'm finishing up 309. Just 310. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye for now, guys.